How to add game passes to your stand. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. For other players to donate, they will essentially be buying game passes. To set this up, head to the desktop Roblox website. From here, click on the Create tab at the very top of the screen. And once you do this, the tabs at the top will change to the select the first one called Dashboard. Here you will see a default location that is called usernames please. Click on this and then head to the vertical menu on the left side of the screen, clicking on the passes under the monetizations product drop down. Now click on create pass. This will bring you onto a new screen where you can make your pass. You can choose any image you want as they are not the most important in Please Donate. After choosing a picture and name, click Create Pass. Back on the Passes menu, your game pass will not have an image. This is normal. Roblox will first need to approve the image you use. And after that, just press Save Changes and you are done there. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.